This is further to our circular number IP 754 dated 17 January 1972 regarding power supply position stop. A meeting was held today with the chairman Punjab State Electricity Board stop. The chairman apprised the members of the present power supply position in the state stop. The following points emerged during the course of the meeting stop. The chairman clarified that up till now no compulsory cut in power consumption in the state has been applied and the suggestion was only made in the past to the industry to conserve the power consumption by 15% voluntarily stop. Except for the electrical period mentioned in para 2, the general availability position in the state was quite satisfactory during the last few months stop. However, if no range come, there will be a critical period of power supply from 28 January to 25 February 1972 stop. In that event, there is a possibility of 15% cut in consumption during the critical period referred to above stop. The chairman of the board suggested that industrial units should take steps for the following to overcome the problems stop to plan the working of such a way so as to include working on Sunday so that higher consumption of power on Sunday may be achieved, which is presently very low in the state as a whole stop. The saving made by individual units in power consumption before the actual power cut comes into force in the state would be given due consideration before thereof stop. For the purpose of 15% cut in consumption as and when it is enforced, average of power consumption during the months of September, October, November 1971 would be taken stop. Requirements of new units would be examined with sympathy and they should approach the board for the needful stop. Exemption from power cut would be given to defense export industries to the extent of their defense export production stop. Cement, sugar, cold storage, dairy would not be subjected to power cut for the time being in the state stop. Continuous process industries would be given special consideration as far as possible stop. Stanza. Self-generating equipment with the industry, if available, should be utilized to the maximum stop. The chairman of the board also mentioned that in case members have individual difficulties with regard to quality of power supply, these be brought to the notice of the board without delay stop. Members are cautioned, requested to take urgent steps in this behalf and keep the committee posted of the developments stop. All future complaints regarding power supply should be brought to the notice of the committee stop. In the end, the president thanked the chairman of the electricity board for having come to the meeting and promising full cooperation to the members stop. The meeting came to an end
number
with tea party 754 arranged by the members
17 January 1972 regarding power supply position stop. A meeting was held today with the